Hi everyone, Storm Team Chief Meteorologist Marcus Bagwell. 2 a.m. on this video update for those of you looking on the KATK app, KATK.com. Thank you for stopping by. Here's a quick update for you. We have very humid conditions still, and we've seen some showers actually pick up in portions of the area. Let me give you a look at where we stand right now as we hit that 2 a.m. hour. Temperatures into the low 70s and the upper 60s. Heads up, this is the high temperature for today. No question about it. And as the cold front moves in, we're expected to drop down into the 50s. So colder weather is on the way. Now you do notice some of these showers in deep East Texas. I'm going to go to the radar and check those here in just a moment. Still very muggy outside with dew points into the mid 60s to near 70 degrees. Here is that area of precipitation that's been passing through. Nothing too significant for us. However, we have seen a few lightning strikes. Let me zoom in a bit closer, let you see that develop here. That first one was around 1:30 or so. Just south of Alto near Brunswick, and then crossed over Highway 69. And then we'll notice another lightning strike northwest of Nacogdoches. Now that precipitation, as of about 2 o'clock, has really fallen apart. It's just a few light showers that are coming through. What's causing all of this precipitation? Well, there is a bit more available energy in the atmosphere, especially at the surface in deep East Texas for us, where dew points are near 70 and the atmosphere is what we would call uncapped, where you can get some showers and a few thunderstorms to develop. Could they turn severe? That's not out of the question, but it looks unlikely here at this point because there's really not much of a trigger mechanism to maybe help them turn to the stronger, the severe side. Here is the actual cold front already entering into Texas, but the main story is what's happening right along this line. We had a severe storm in Clarksville, Arkansas, near Russellville, but no new warnings as of about 2 a.m. And notice how the line is starting to approach near the Red River. So within the next, say, 2:30, 3 o'clock, these showers will probably be crossing the Red River and begin to move in toward the Arklatex and portions of East Texas. The question is going to be, what is going to take place in this region here? Are we going to see the warmer air aloft, the cap, begin to let itself up, allowing for storms to develop more because the front is moving in? We're going to have to watch all of that very closely. Let me give you a look at how the high resolution model plays this out. Now, it's done a good job on picking up some of the scattered precipitation that we've seen in the early morning hours, but the main story is probably still going to be this front. Anything that could form out ahead of it we'll need to monitor, but I do expect the front to be the main weather story for us. So here's 5 a.m. as the storms have already cleared Sulphur Springs and Mount Pleasant. Sulphur Springs, I-30, folks, you're going to have a much cooler day, and it's going to drop in temperatures a lot more quicker for you compared to everybody else. So 5 a.m., storms near Cass County coming all the way back into Van Zandt. Could these be on the stronger, severe side? Definitely so. More so of an isolated chance for that to occur. There's 6 a.m. as storms approach near Athens all the way over toward Marshall. By 7 a.m., those storms are near Highway 79 and working their way south and southeast. Notice here we could see a few more stronger storms that may develop over portions of the Toledo Bend area and also down in portions of southeast Texas too. We'll need to keep an eye on that very closely. 9 a.m., still some storms lingering, especially in deep East Texas and Toledo Bend, but they should be out of here by about 11 a.m., no later than noon, and we'll look at some decrease in cloud cover and cooler temperatures that will settle in. So the overall severe threats, they still have not changed. Heavy rain, a brief damaging wind gust or two cannot be ruled out, and the low chance for hail or an isolated tornado. All right, here's how temperatures are expected to play. Notice how as this front moves in, temperatures are dropping. Behind the front, we will fall into the 40s. Some areas may even fall into the 50s. So we've got chilly weather up ahead as we move toward our Monday, and that's what we're going to keep an eye on very closely. So in the next few hours, the main concern here is going to be for the chances for rain and thunderstorms to gradually pick up, and all due to this front. And you notice how the front is beginning to approach the Red River. We'll see what type of development we can get ahead of this line. We'll be watching it closely here. Going to continue to stay here in the Storm Center to keep a close eye on things for you.